By the time you finish watching this video, I can promise that no matter who you are, whether you're a complete beginner with technology, a movie lover, or simply curious about launching a YouTube channel, you'll be able to create a movie recap or explain a channel that's not only easy to run, but can also become a big success. And we're not just talking about YouTube here. You could apply the same methods to blow up on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, all while making some serious money. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, can these kinds of channels actually be monetized? Great question. Instead of just telling you, let me show you how it's done. First, let's check out this website called YouTube Large. It has a useful tool called the YouTube Monetization Checker. All you have to do is paste the link of any channel, complete the quick captcha, hit enter, and boom. As you can see, this channel is fully monetized. Let's check another one real quick. Yep, that one's monetized too. This even applies to channels with YouTube Shorts and Reels, so don't let anyone tell you otherwise. This method is 100% legit. After I found this evergreen niche, I quickly realized how much people enjoy it. Think about it nowadays. People prefer watching short, engaging movie recaps rather than sitting through the entire film. Check out this comment I came across that was the most satisfying ending to a movie of this type I have ever seen. I think this comment got over 100 replies. That's wild, right? It shows how popular this type of content is. But here's the twist. While only a few creators are getting thousands or even millions of views, most aren't following the same winning strategy. They're missing out big time. According to YouTube's monetization policy specifically, you're allowed to reuse movie scenes as long as you rewrite the dialogue. Any conversations happening in the scene need to be rewritten, and the voiceover, whether it's the movie's audio, music, or sound, must be replaced. As long as we do this, we're good to go. For those of you who are new here, welcome to AI Tute, your one-stop destination for unlocking the power of artificial intelligence and learning tested strategies for making money online. Stick around until the end, because I've got a pro tip you won't want to miss. Alright, let's jump in and get started. The first step is to find a trending topic. To do this quickly, go to the video description, click on the Douyin link, and you'll be taken to a website that might seem unfamiliar because yes, it's in Chinese. While there are other similar Chinese apps like QX, Hongo, and others, you can use any of them. If the site doesn't open due to your region, you can also use a VPN, but let's stick with Douyin for this tutorial. If you want, you can translate the page by clicking this icon, but I won't bother with that since we'll still search for the movie in Chinese. Sounds complicated, right? It's actually easier than it seems, trust me. Here's a pro tip: find any popular competitors' videos or the type of movie recap you want to model. There are tons of videos and niches out there that you can use as inspiration, then add your unique spin. Use Google Translate to convert your movie title into Chinese. Since we're starting with English, choose Chinese and don't forget to add movie recap at the end. Once you're done, copy the Chinese text, head back to the Douyin website, paste it in, and hit enter. Scroll through the results, find the movie you like, and click the share button to copy the link. Next up, it's time to download the video using the link we just copied. Let's keep things moving. Go to the second link in the description labeled LoveTick or converter, paste the movie link you copied earlier, hit the download button, and when the options appear, make sure to select MP4. This format works best and will make editing easier later on. Boom. Just like that, you've downloaded the Chinese video without any watermark. Easy, right? You'll notice we downloaded a landscape version, which is perfect for YouTube. You can use this same trick for shorts or reels, just resize the aspect ratio in CapCut to fit short-form content. Now buckle up, because this is where things get exciting. Pay close attention. We're going to take that Chinese video we downloaded and transform it into English or any other language you prefer. But before we go on, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to AI Tut for more amazing tips on AI tools and trends. If you have any questions about this video or your YouTube channel, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Let's move on to translating the video we downloaded. We're going to use a tool called Kapwing, which is linked in the description. While Kapwing is a paid tool, don't worry, they offer some free credits to help you get started. Pro tip: if you're working on big projects, you can use temporary email addresses to create multiple accounts. That's a neat hack, right? Or you could just pay for the tool and avoid the hassle of making multiple accounts. Click Get Started and sign up with your email. Check your inbox for a code, copy it, and paste it to complete the sign up. Boom, you're in. Now you'll see the main dashboard where the magic happens. Simple, right? Click Create New Project. Here's a golden rule: make sure you choose the correct aspect ratio for your video to avoid any issues. Always double check the original aspect ratio of the video first. Click Add Media to upload your video. Once it's uploaded, you'll see it on the timeline. You'll have access to tools like trim, crop, and filters, but we don't need those right now, so ignore them for now. This is because we've selected the clip. Now, deselect it. We'll be using the Dub Video tool. Click on it and you'll see some options on the left. First, select the original language of your video. Mine is Chinese, so I'll choose that. Next, select the language you want. I'll pick English. And here's the cool part, you can select an AI-generated voice to read the translation. Imagine having your own virtual voiceover artist. Cool, right? Let's keep going. Once you've chosen a voice that matches your style, hit Dub Video and let the magic happen. This may take a while, so feel free to grab a coffee or scroll through TikTok, just make sure you come back. Once the dubbing is done, let's check the results.
She just opened her eyes and slept for a while. When she woke up, she found herself lying on a strange bed. The woman was shocked and looked around, but found that not only was the room set up very strangely, but there was also a strange man lying next to her who she had never seen before. She couldn't remember what she had experienced. The woman was frightened and lost her mind for a moment. She didn't know why she was here. So she rushed into the bathroom, trying to figure out the truth. But
now that we've got our video translated and ready, it's time to add some final touches by incorporating captions and making a few tweaks. For this, we'll use CapCut, which is a powerful and easy-to-use video editing tool. Let's get started by opening CapCut and hitting the button to start a new project. Import the video we just downloaded from Capwing. Easy, right? Adjust the aspect ratio, click on ratio, and switch it to 16:9. This is the perfect format for YouTube videos, and it'll make your content look professional and seamless. Remember that we've already translated the video from Chinese to English using Capwing, but we still need to hide the original Chinese captions. To do that, click on Text and then select Auto Caption. CapCut will automatically generate captions for you by converting your audio into text. Boom! Now you've got your English captions, and they will appear over the original Chinese text. I recommend making the captions a bit larger and adding a background to cover up the Chinese ones. You can also tweak the font style, size, and color to match your brand's vibe. Play around with the presets until you find something that feels just right, whether you want it to be stylish or simple. You want to protect your work. Add a watermark to your video by clicking on text, hitting the icon, and typing in your channel name. This is like signing your masterpiece, and it'll make your content easily recognizable. Want to make it pop? Choose a font that stands out and make a few adjustments. Once you're happy with it, reduce the opacity so it's noticeable but not too distracting. Now we've got one more little hiccup to fix: the background audio. The video might have some background sound, but we can't be sure if it's copyrighted, and the last thing you want is YouTube flagging your content for copyright violations. So, to play it safe, we're going to remove the background music and replace it with our own. For this, we'll use a tool called Easiest Vocal Remover, which is free to use. This tool separates the voice from the music, kind of like magic. Here's how to do it. Export the audio from CapCut by clicking Export and unchecking the video box. We only need the audio for this step, so choose MP3 and hit Export again. Upload the audio file to Easiest Vocal Remover. You can either drag and drop the file or choose it manually. Once it's processed, you'll see three options: the original audio, the instrumental, and the vocal. Listen to each one to ensure they sound right. For our project, we'll be downloading the vocal track only. Now, head back to CapCut, right-click on the video and select Extract Audio, delete the original audio track and replace it with the clean vocal track we just downloaded. Voila! Now we've got a video free from any copyright issues. Add background music. This is where you can get creative. Head to the audio section in CapCut and pick some royalty-free music to use in the background. Adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover, and maybe even add some sound effects or transitions to give your video that extra flair.
she just opened her eyes and slept for a while. When she woke up, she found herself lying on a strange bed. The woman was shocked and looked around, but found that not only was the room set up very strangely, but there was also a strange man lying next to her who she had never seen before. She couldn't remember what she had experienced. The woman was frightened and lost her mind for a moment. She didn't know why she was here. So she rushed into the bathroom, trying to figure out the truth.
Amazing, right? You can definitely create something even better than this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. and I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think, or if you have any questions. I'm always reading and replying to as many as I can. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.